Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking whether your phone already supports Qi wireless charging. Look up your model specifications or inspect the back for a wireless charging logo. Understand power levels and speeds listed as 5W, 7, 5W, or 15W for accurate expectations. Know that wireless power transfers through cases up to 3 millimeters thick in most situations. Be aware that interference from metal or magnetic mounts can prevent charging. If your phone lacks Qi, you can add a thin receiver or use a charging case to enable wireless charge. Choose between 3 common methods to add wireless charging to your phone. First, use a thin 0.5mm Qi receiver that connects to the phone port and sits under the case. Second, buy a dedicated wireless charging case that replaces your original phone shell. Third, use a magnetic adapter or wireless power bank that supports Qi standards. Always power the charging pad with a compatible adapter rated 5V/2A or 9V/1. 67A. Align the phone coil with the pad center to ensure efficient power transfer and reduce heat. To set up, connect the wireless pad to a wall adapter rated 5V/2A or 9V/1. 67A. Using a good USB-C or Lightning cable. Place the phone squarely on the pad and watch for the charging indicator light or sound. If the phone does not charge, remove thick or metal cases and realign the device on the pad. If charging is slow or the phone becomes hot, try another certified Qi pad or switch adapters. Always avoid damaged cables, magnets, or wet environments to keep charging safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.